How to hide repost on Instagram. In order for you to hide the repost on Instagram, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Enter your login credentials and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you'll see the repost button. Click on it. You will be able to see all of the posts that you have reposted on Instagram. But you can see that there is no any feature or the option where you can directly hide your repost from other people. In this case, what else you can do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. In the section of who can see your content, head over to account privacy. If your account is on public, then all of the people on Instagram will be able to view your repost. So what you're gonna do is turn on this option and make your account private. Click on switch to private. Once your account is on private, now only the people who follows you will be able to view your repost on Instagram. For the people who doesn't follow you on Instagram, the repost will be hidden for them, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.